Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are working on a 2004 Ford Taurus SES. Anyway, doing a fuel pump. Come in here, wouldn't run. We had to have it towed in. So what we did is I dropped the tank already. I'm going to show you a couple things so you guys have a little bit better understanding of how these things come out sometimes. Sometimes they're easy, sometimes they're a pain in the butt. This one here is a little bit easier than the normal. First thing you want to do, once you do get the tank out, you blow that off of there. It's going to get noisy. You want to blow all that there off, all that dust and stuff off. Try to put a light up there so you can see it. All that dust up there, you don't want that in that tank right there. So. Makes it a little bit easier. There goes leaks a little bit. So here's what you're gonna do. There's a plug over here, right there. I don't know if you can see it. That plug right there hooks to the side of the tank. It plugs into that right there. This goes over here, hooks right into the side of the tank. I don't know if you can see it from there. There's a couple holes right there. That sets right in there. You unplug that. Those are your power wires too going to it. I already did back probing and testing them. There's how you test them in the back. I think it's the purple one, the black one that should have power. One of those should have 12. One should have a 5-volt reference. Anyway, you're gonna get in here. To replace this, you're gonna have to just undo that. But right here is a problem. You see that right there? This is going to be unplugged. This is something to do with the vapor. You just push that little button and pull out. It unplugs. Then click it from the line. And do it from under here. Now I'm going to kind of walk you through this because usually before I always have this changed out. This one here I'm going to walk you through it a little bit. I'm going to try to put the phone here somewhere so you can see what I'm doing. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but you should be able to see from there, ballpark. You're going to take a hammer and a little screwdriver and hit these little prongs. Little prongs right there. Right there. You're going to tap on those and it's that ring right there is going to turn. You want that ring to turn. Now I don't know if you're going to be able to see this or not, but you should get a pretty good view of it. You might not be able to see it, but that's what you got to do. You turn that ring. And what's going to happen